Hey, what's happening, guys? We are back with another quick video. I have a special guest here today. Her name is Caitlin.
Hi.
All right, we're going to get started. We've never done this before. What we're going to do basically is try to put some Talon grips onto this Glock 21 frame. This is the one that I use in my MCK kit that you guys have seen in a few recent videos. We've never done this. I've never done these. I have them on a few guns that I've got pre-owned and stuff. But I read the instructions. It seems pretty straightforward. Clean it with alcohol, let it dry. Start on the left side of the grip. And then you're basically going to work it around. And then the hair dryer, that's going to be Caitlin's job. She's going to heat it up for me while I kind of press this in and get it to seal a little bit better. So at least that's the idea anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open up this thing here. As you guys probably already know, alcohol dries really fast, so that shouldn't really be an issue. It's not real dirty. I've not shot it much, so it should go pretty well. What do you think, Kate?
Good.
Good. All right, let's see. All right. Should we zap it with the blow dryer? Just make sure it's dry. All right, here. Can you reach it from over there?
Yeah, I should.
That's the one that goes up. All right, cool. Turbo mode. All right. Well, I guess we're at the point to where we start this. This is kind of sketchy. I don't know if there's like the ability to peel it up and then put it back if you mess up. I doubt it, but I don't actually know because I've never installed these. I'm just going to try to line it up with that cutout there and just make sure it's as straight as I can do it. I don't know. It says not to stretch it at all, so I got to remember that. All right, anyway. Oh, I wonder if I should peel the whole thing off at once or just like...
Probably peel the whole thing off at once.
You think so?
Yeah.
Or should I maybe peel it to here?
No.
And then just do this part
peel the whole
and then
thing off.
What if I get this like stuck on something as I'm trying to...
Then don't. If you think you're going to get it stuck, then don't.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Let's just get after it. Sometimes you just gotta dive in. Oh boy, this is... I'm gonna go with my gut. When I used to install vinyl back in the day, and we wouldn't peel the whole thing off most of the time. So I'm gonna try that and see what happens. I wish I could see a little bit better. Maybe... Let's give that a try. Caitlin, does that look... That looks pretty straight to me around that. Does it to you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go for it. Think I should?
Yeah. Slowly but surely. Because that's always wins the race.
Slow and steady wins the race, that's right. Alright, so far so good, I think. Get it back in the camera there. It looks like almost perfect right there, so
yeah.
So far so good. I can tell that's where I'm going to have to heat it up a little bit, I think, right there. Not yet. I'm going to wrap the rest of it around. Maybe that was a bad call. Let's see. Alrighty, let's see here. That stuff is definitely sticky. I got some dirt in them grooves. Hopefully that doesn't affect anything. I don't think it will. Let's see. It says wrap it, do not stretch it.
So do not stretch it.
So I'm really trying not to stretch it right now. I want to, but I'm trying not to. That's where some heat will be needed, I think, on the back. All right, let's see. Does that line up good? Caitlin's over there being a maniac. All right, let's wrap these fingers over, right? These finger grooves. Are they supposed to overlap the whole thing?
I don't know. Probably. I don't know though.
I mean, I guess it has to. There's no. All right, partner. Fire that bad boy up on low. And we're gonna go ahead and shut her off. I want you to see. I want you to look at it, Caitlin, and see if you see any spots that need stuck down better, or if you think it passes inspection. It needs it right there.
Not really.
You think it's fine?
Yeah.
All over?
Yeah.
You think we passed the test?
Yeah.
That seemed pretty easy, actually, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was not as hard as I thought. They actually did a really good job cutting this thing out perfectly. I will continue to buy these. Next time I think I'm going to have you install the whole thing. Yeah. Alright guys, anyways, that's it. I just want to do a quick video about these Talon grips. And it was super straightforward and easy. And thanks to our special guest, Caitlin, for helping out. Anyways, we'll catch you guys next time. And we'll see you then. What do you say, Kate? Tell them to like the video? No? Okay.
No.
Alright. Well, don't like the video. That's fine. Or like it. It doesn't matter to me. I do this for fun. Anyways, that's it, guys. It looks pretty good. check it out. I'm going to put this thing back together, and I'll be out with the at the range again soon with this complete with the Roni, and see what we can do. See you next time.